the stabilizers down. Left one first. There we go. There's the rev. So I'm at 1420, that's good. Not in that great rush here where we got a right one's not on the ground. There. Alright, so we're going to just give myself enough room to make it up and in there with a load of gravel on the front. So I want to peel back some of this dirt on this side so I can actually turn around and come in with the loader and not push dirt in there. I guess it's kind of like what plan I have in my head. So I got a new bucket coming for this 3-foot bucket. This is only 18 inches. It came with it. I've only had this machine for a few weeks and I ordered a new bucket right away. I think this is probably the bucket that comes with the sale of the machine when it's new, but it's very small. You can see that this is a great like a great control of backhoe controls. I just thought when I got this that the backhoe controls was going to be really jerky and just, you know, it's just something you have to deal with backhoes, but I've never operated a nice modern backhoe and it's very, very nice. I'm very pleased with the power delivery, the response of the actual sticks. I find this even has a little better feel than my 6-ton excavator. I just find that there's less slack in the engagement from on movement. Chunk of grass there. Get that guy out. Yes, this is taking longer than bringing over the excavator, but by the time you warm it up and drive over here, we're getting there. Just want to peel this back right here. Oh, I guess we can fill this in with dirt right here. Might be hard to see. Oh shit. I was supposed to put gravel there. God damn it. I was supposed to put gravel there. Yep. Glad I caught that now. It is sand though. It is sand. This is all sand. We do have topsoil, but not around the foundation. The further out from the foundation, it turns to topsoil and just regular clay. There we go. I find operating this is so much stress-free. I just love the backhoes. I find the excavator, it frustrates me. It's the tracks, it's the, I don't know what it is. I wish I can get into a point in my life where all I have is a backhoe and I have work every day for the backhoe. Well, that's more of a government contract thing. Yeah, if I could, I'd get rid of all the excavators and everything. Just use a backhoe. Now, if I was to go one step further, I'd really like to get a wheeled excavator with a rototilt system on the front, on the boom. Have it so that you have a trailer, a hydraulic trailer that you can raise up and down so you can dump material. And then the wheeled excavator take a plow, and you can fit a bucket on the plow, so that way you can carry attachments in the bucket on the front of the machine. You can have a trailer on the back for all your other attachments, and have it so it's a wet hookup, so you can have your compactor, your grapple, everything all in one, and have everything with you, and just drive the machine to where you're going. And if you're going to be there for a few days, just, I don't know, take a cab home. Alright, I think I'm going to push this material that way and just drive up over it. Actually, there's definitely too much dirt here now. Okay, maybe I'll pull it out here and then I'll come in and just get it moved off to the side a bit. I really like the controls of this. They're very, very snappy, and see, good strength to do that. Doesn't labor the machine. Very, very surprising strength. Now, I have not done any serious digging with this machine. I have teeth for this. You can bolt on teeth, but haven't used it as digging. Just more or less just doing what I'm doing here, and some of the foundation work, which is, it's all just sand, and it did a great job. It's nice to have the smooth tooth bucket on. Makes a nice clean ground for the fellas to walk on.